Let's start our class. Okay. You see here. Do you familiar with this this figure or picture?
This the attack on this thing.
Yes. Yeah. This figure. What is about? What is figure about?
War.
War. Yes. About war. More detail about that. What is war? What kind of war? Where is the location? What is the technical they are using?
The attack and defend attack to Israel, and Israel defend with drone.
Yes. Yes. Any idea? Another idea that what happening between you see the light, okay, light, strong light,
light.
and then flexible light. What happening on that day? What is this figure explain us about? If you look at this, you will see two sides of things happen last 3 months. Okay, last 3 months or last 2 months. And then it's still happening. Okay, it's still happening. We can say the war between the you can say one is legal country and one is illegal country. So if you see this figure, it explains us well in term because we are discussing about something about software. Okay. One side is from our brother. Okay, from Palestinians or Hamas. Okay. Another is what we call the side from Israel. Okay. You see this one. Which side? Yeah. For example, this one we have two sides, right? The strength.
Two sides.
The strength side is one side is, and then we have flexible light, and then some kind of a rocket or missile, right? It's launching. Which side is Palestine, and which side is Israel? Yeah.
The right one is Israel, and the left one is Palestine.
The right side is Palestine.
The right side is Palestine, and the left side is Israel, right?
Yes.
Okay. Let's go move to a little bit more closer. Okay, from this figure they zoom. Okay, but this figure is from Al Jazeera. Okay, Al Jazeera English. Okay, so I took from them, and then suddenly when we see this thing, based on our experience, especially in software engineer, so we see the thing that the war is unbalanced. Okay, unbalanced military equipment. See that? Okay. If we zoom a little bit more, okay. If we zoom a little bit more, we can see something. What we call something's attached. Something try to make a complete on the air. Okay, from the rocket from one side, and then with another rocket from another side. Okay. And this a little bit more zoom. Okay. From the side of Israel, they launch the missile, waiting the missile from Hamas. Okay, waiting the missile from Hamas. Okay. Okay. If you look at this one, this is a thing that we call, as everyone I think that everyone know about Iron Dome, right?
Iron Dome,
right? Yes. If we compare two sides of battle, we can say battle or war. Okay, you see, which side is side of Palestine and which side is Israel?
Palestine on the right.
Palestine on the right and Israel on the left, right?
Yes.
What do you think? What do you see in this figure?
That Israel has more advantage in technology.
Yes, you're right. Yes. After you, please, if you already speak, and then please turn off the microphone
Okay.
because and then you can, if you wanna speak, just turn on again. Okay. This one is if we compare between, this is the first what we call first generation of Al-Ghassam rocket. Okay, right now, since from that day until now, they are not different too much. Okay, they are not different too much. Okay, you see, this is compare one rocket with software system. One rocket is without system, without software. See, you see this one different. Okay, different, right? The rocket is launched by software. Mostly, there are no human over there. There are no human over there. They start by automate or someone control, remote control from somewhere else. Okay, but the rocket that launched by manual or by human, they had to the human had to spike the rocket and then launch. Okay, and then they cannot do what we call measure the destination well. Okay, when you launch, you cannot control anything. They just go and down. Okay, go and down. It's different with the left hand side from the Israel. Okay, everything under control, they say. Okay, everything under control based on the technical. Okay, based on the technical, they land the rocket and then they wait from the missile that attack the area, and then they attack that missile to make it what we call explore on the air, in the air, before it attacks to the ground. This is the main point of the target of Iron Dome. Okay. If we zoom a little bit more, we can see this is the Iron Dome in practical. Okay, in practical, we see you research about Iron Dome, you will see one is the launcher, one is transmitter, one is controller. The thing that working together to make what we call Iron Dome work. Okay, to protect the area that they say. Okay. If we zoom a little bit more about a Gozam rocket, okay, you will see this one. There's just only hardware, okay, no software, okay. Just only hardware and hope over there. Launch and go, okay. Launch and go. This is what we call thing that always happen, and then why our brother over there cannot do more than that because of their list of equipment, and then list of technical person we call, or scientists we call. If we compare the new generation of Gazam, okay, compare with Iron Dome of Israel, you can see. Since until now, okay, I always monitoring something like this. I hope you too. Monitoring not just only event, not just only the thing that happened, but go deeper research about the thing that the rocket, how they made the rocket, how Hamas made the rocket, how Israel built the Iron Dome. If you look at here, until now, Hamas no any software control the rocket. Any software control the rocket. They just can build only the rocket that can fire long destination only, without exactly what the position they will attack. Okay, this is something that hardware without a software. Okay, hardware without software. It's opposite with Israel. Yes, Hassan. Yes. You see here, software can control, okay, can control hardware. Okay, we are using software and then intelligent plus something to control the rocket, and then attach or destroy the specific destination. Okay, within meter, okay, or millimeter or centimeter, not by kilo. Okay, not by kilo. Okay, welcome to software engineering. Okay, this is a case study in the real world. Okay, it's just happening, and then if you look at see based on your perspective, especially we are talking about software engineering. If you look at that thing happen based on the software engineering perspective, you will see something that you can, if you want to learn something, there should be some motivation for you. Okay, this is one of our motivation, that if we know about software, so we can do something better for this world and hereafter, inshallah.